Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all dear students. Hope you will be fine. In previous class, I taught you about word formation, that how we can create different type of word from a base or root word with the help of affixes. Now, in today's class, I am going to teach you that how different type of words can be created with the help of the rules regarding compound words, blend and acronyms. These are three other different type of word formation rules. According to them, we can create different type of words, and if we know that how the words can be created with the help of these three rules, we will be capable of not only using these words in our spoken language but also in our written material as well. Okay, let's start our lesson. Okay, student, now we'll start the word formation, and in our previous class we studied about affixes. Now we are going to read about compound words. Compound words, it is the second part of word formation. Compound words. First of all, definition, how the compound words are created. Two words are put together. Two different words are put together, and it is and created a new one word, that is called compound word. It is also called hyphenated word. Hyphenated words, in two words they can be put hyphen between two words in a compound word. In American English, fewer hyphens are used than British English. It means that in American English, hyphens are not that much used in compound words, but in British English, hyphens are used. Today, mostly compound words are written as one word, but nowadays mostly compound words are written as one word. It means there is no hyphen between them, there is no space between them, but they are written as a one word. Now I will give you examples of compound words. Now these are all those compound words which are written as one word. They are written as one word. The first word, in first example, the word is first, the second word is hand, and the compound word, that is first hand. There is no space, no hyphen between it, between these two words, and the word, meaning of the word is totally changed. First and hand. Now first hand, the meaning is totally changed. Similarly, in the second example, land and holder. Compound word, land holder. In third example, steam and boat. The compound word, steamboat. Post and graduate. The compound word, postgraduate. Now these are all those compound words which are written as one word, and you can see that in first list you will find the two words written separately, and when they are written combined, the meaning of these words are almost totally changed from the first list words. These are called compound words. If you don't know meanings of these words, kindly consult your dictionary, because it would be very better for you to find the meanings of the difficult words from dictionary. In this way, they will remain in your memory forever. Now look at the second example of compound words. These are those compound words which are written as two separate words. They are written as two separate words. How? The first example, first and aid, land and office, steam and engine, post and meridian. Now, first and aid, they are combined and the word is created first aid, but there you can see that there is a space between two words. Similarly, land office, steam and engine, steam and engine, steam engine, post and meridian, post meridian, that means PM, which we use in our timings. So, look at these words, they are written separately, there is a space between the two words, but the meaning of these words are totally changed from them. First and aid, they have different meanings, but first aid, it is a different meaning. Land and office, steam and engine, they are giving separate meanings. This list is giving you separate meaning, but these words are giving you separate meanings. These are all called compound words, but they are written separately. Now, in this example of compound words, you can see that these words are written with hyphen. These words are written with a hyphen. In first example, first and degree. In the second example, land and poor. Third example, post and Victorian. In fourth example, post and mortem. Now, look at the compound words. This is first degree with hyphen, land, poor with hyphen, post hyphen Victorian, post mortem with hyphen. So, these in this way compound words can also be written with hyphen, and these are called hyphenated word as well. But as I told you that nowadays the words compound words are written as a one word, there is no hyphen or no space is used, but I taught you that in this way the compound words can also be written with hyphen and with a space as well. Now, dear students, blend, this is the third word formation process in which we create different type of words. What is the definition of blend? They are made by combining two words. Blends are made by combining two words. Using it means two words are combined and we create a new one word. But how the two words are combined? Not like compound words. This is the different way of combining the two words in blends. Using one part of them in the new word. It means using one part of them. If there are two words, we will take one part from first word and we will take the second part, another part from the second word, and we will create a new word. I will tell you in examples. Advertisers and journalists form many words in this way which are part of our vocabulary. It means these type of blends are used by advertisers and also the journalists, and they have used such a blend words in such a way that they have also become the part of our vocabulary. Now, I will give you examples that how we can combine the parts of the words and create a new word in a blend system. Now, students, these are the examples of blend. As I told you that part of different two words are joined and a new word is created. So, this is these are the examples in front of you. Number one, there is written in first example there is written agriculture plus business. These are two words, agriculture plus business, and we have made a blend agri-business. Now, you can see that from first word we have taken this part of the word, and in second word we have taken the full word, and we have created the new word, that is agri-business. Similarly, in the second example, there is helicopter plus airport, and the blend is heliport. It means we have taken heli from helicopter and port from airport, and the new blend is ready, that is heliport. Next one, that is motor plus hotel. Now, we have taken this part from motor and this part from hotel, and it has become motel. Hotel is that place where you stay for some time, but motel is that place where you can not only you can stay, but you can also park your car. Now, look at the next one example, smoke plus fog, and the blend is smoke. How? We have taken this part from smoke and we have taken this part from fog, and the word is converted into smoke. This is the blend. Now look at the next example, transfer plus resistor, that is transistor. Now we have taken trans, this part from this word, first word, and this part from the second word, and it is created transistor. Now look at the next example, Europe plus Asia. Now the blend is Eurasia. We have taken this part from the first word and we have taken the full word from the second word, and it has created the new word that is Eurasia. Now in this way blends are made. In compound words we combine full two words, but in blends we not combine the two words, but we will take a part from first word and a part from second word, and we will create a new word. Sometime like agriculture and agribusiness and Eurasia, in these examples we will see that we have taken a part from first words, but we have taken the full words from the second one example, and we have created new words. This is called blend. In this way different type of words are created, which you should memorize, and you should also know the meaning of these words, and you should also know that where these words can be put when you writing some material in English language. Now come towards the fourth process of word formation, that is acronyms. What are acronyms? Acronyms are made from the first letter or letters of a group of words. Example, if there are group of words, we will take the first letter or one or two letters from the word, each word, and we will create a new word. They are written in capital letters without period. It means there will be no period, full stop or dot between each letter. They are pronounced as word. Few acronyms have become common nouns. This is the definition of acronyms. We will take first single or double letter from each word, and we will make a new word with capital letters. There will be no period or full stop or dot between each letter, and they are pronounced as a word. How? Now I will give you example. Now look at the examples of acronyms. The first example, radio detection and ranging. That is the first letters are taken from all these group of words, and the new word is created, that is radar. Radio, R is taken from radio, A is also taken from radio, D is taken from detection, A is taken from ant, R is taken from ranging, and the acronym is created radar. And look at these the word, all the words are written in capital letters, and there is no full stop or there is no period between among all these letters. It will be written like a word, and it will be pronounced like a word. Look at the second example, light wave amplification by simulated emission of radiation. Now there are so many words written in this example, and it is converted into laser. How? L, it is taken from light wave amplification simulated emission of radiation. S is taken from simulation, E is taken from emission, R is taken from radiation. Now the word is, and A is taken from amplification. Now the word is converted into laser. There is no period between all. Period mean if you write a word, this is called that the word is written with period, but there is no period. It will be written like a word, and it will be spoken like a word as well. Now look at this next example, Kohat University of Science and Technology. We have taken K from Kohat, we have taken U from university, we have taken S from science, and we have taken T from technology, and the word is created KUST, and it is written in capital letters, and it is also is being spoken as a word, not KUST. No, we will speak it like KUST. Another example, corona virus disease 2019. We have taken CO, two letters from corona, V and I, two letters from virus, D is taken from disease, and 19 is taken from 2019, and it is converted into COVID-19. So, in this way acronyms can be created by instead of speaking full group of words which is consisted upon so many words. For example, if I speak like this, light wave amplification by simulated emission of radiation, it will take a time. So instead of speaking in this way, I will say laser, and the words will be clear to you. Similarly, if I say radio detection and ranging, instead of speaking all these group of words, I will say radar, the words will be understood by you. Similarly, COVID-19, it means coronavirus disease 2019. Instead of speaking all these words, I will just say COVID-19, and the word will be understood by you. And remember this thing, that these type of acronyms, these are mostly used in science subjects. Okay, in short, compound words are those words in which we combine two words and create a new word. This is class and this is fellow. These are two separate words, but when we combine them, it is converted into class fellow. Blend, these are those words in which we combine the part of two words and we create a new one word. For example, these are two words, Europe and this is Asia, and we have taken this part of this word, first word, and we have taken this full word of this in a second example, and we have created a new word, that is Eurasia. This is called blend. In acronym, you will take the first letter of all the group of words and you will make a new word. For example, this is written National University of Science and Technology. We have taken the first letter of each word and we have combined these all first letters in a capital letters, and we have converted it, created a new word, that is NUST. We will never speak it like NUST, but it will be spoken like a full word, NUST. So this is the method of making or formatting new words with the process of compound words, blend and acronym. Hope it will be clear for you. If there is any question, you can ask and I will in your comment section, and inshallah I will satisfy you with my answers. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz. I will see you in next class, inshallah.